Can you invest in the biggest companies in US and also in other countries while living in Kenya? Absolutely yes. And I want to show you how easy it is, and it took me less than 10 minutes. Last month, that is May 2026, I invested 10,000 Kenya shillings in the S&P 500 using my phone. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step. Welcome to Study of Wealth. My name is Susan Juguna, and if you have an interest in investing, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and become part of this community, because here I teach you how to invest right. Now, you might be wondering what exactly is the S&P 500. Now, I want you to think about it like a collection of 500 of the largest publicly listed companies in the United States. Instead of trying to choose whether to invest in Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, or hundreds of other companies individually, you can invest in all of them through a single ETF. And the ETF I chose for our last month investment in our monthly investment challenge is VOO, okay? So VOO tracks the performance of the S&P 500, making it one of the simplest way to invest in some of the world's biggest businesses with a single purchase. So instead of relying on the success of one single company, your invest is spread across hundreds of leading businesses in different industries. And as part of my monthly investment challenge, I invested the 10,000 Kenya shillings into VOO through the stock market. Now, let me show you exactly how I made the investment so you can follow the same process if you're interested in this, okay? For this part, you will need an investment account. I use Scope Market for this, and I'm going to leave a link for sign up in the pinned comment. Use the link and sign up, and once you sign up, they are going to call you to direct you on how to go about setting up the account. So first, you need to find your account. You can do so using a bank account or an M-Pesa. M-Pesa is instant, so that's what I usually use. Bank deposit, you need to follow up with an email so that they can credit your account. Now, after that, you will use this platform. This platform is called MetaTrader, and this is what you're going to be using to invest. You will click on the plus icon here to add your ETF. So I will search VOO, then I'm going to click on it, and it will be added to my watch list. Then I will right click on it and select new order. Here, we are going to key in the volume or quantity we want to invest. And we get this by dividing the amount of money that you want to invest with the ETF price, okay? After setting that up, we click on Buy by Market. And just like that, we have invested in the top 500 companies in US through a single purchase. Now we wait to make some gains. And as you can see here, this is how our January, February, March, and April investment is looking so far. And I can say, so far, so good. This is great progress. And I want you to imagine if we had put more money here than the 10K per month. This is the potential of investing in the offshore markets. So as you have seen, the process is that easy. So remember, we are investing a certain amount of money at the end of every month into the local market and also in the offshore markets. And because we are still building our core investments in our portfolio, that is why the reason I chose VOO. As we continue, I'm going to add some satellites as we discussed in our previous video. And if you have already done your offshore investment and you have not done your local investments, I've already recorded a video on how I invested the 10,000 Kenya shillings in an ETF listed in Nairobi Securities Exchange. And of course, I use DigiTrader. You can watch it here and learn how you can start building both the local and the global portfolio as I build mine. Remember, we are doing this for a whole year and then we are going to be reviewing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in our next video. Happy investing. Bye.